In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use Wix pricing plans, subscriptions, and memberships. Let's get started on setting up these plans effectively to serve your business needs. First things first, open your preferred web browser, Google Chrome, Safari, or whichever you are most comfortable with using. In the address bar, type in wix.com and press enter. Once you're on the Wix homepage, look for the login button usually located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it to proceed. If you're not already signed in, enter your Wix account credentials to log in. After logging in, direct your attention to the app market. You should find this option easily as it generally appears prominently on the Wix dashboard. Clicking on the app market will open up a variety of tools and applications you can integrate into your Wix site. In the search bar within the app market, type in Wix Pricing Plans. This will direct you to the specific tool we will use today. Once located, click on Add to Site to integrate the pricing plans into your Wix website. Now, head back to your dashboard and find the catalog section. Click on it to access various options related to site customization and management. Within the catalog, you'll notice a pricing plans option. Click on that and it will open up the section where you can manage pricing plans already on your site or create entirely new ones. To start with creating a new plan, look for the button that says Create Plan and click on it. Here, you can begin crafting custom plans that suit the different services or memberships you offer. Start by clicking on the plan name field. Here's your chance to give your plan an engaging and descriptive name, perhaps something like Gold Subscription or Monthly Recurring Pro Plan. Next, move to the description section. This is where you can elaborate on the benefits and features of each plan, clearly outline what the subscribers will receive, and tailor this to what stands out most about your offering. Now let's explore the pricing options where you'll decide on the financial model of the plan. You can choose whether it will be a one-time purchase or if it will renew on a monthly or yearly basis, aligning with your business strategy. You'll then set the length of the plan, and this could either be a fixed-term service or an ongoing subscription, depending on your preference and business model. To fine-tune everything, click on Settings to manage specific subscription setups. Once you've configured everything to your satisfaction, the final step is to click on Save to ensure all your hard work is preserved and ready to be published. And there you have it. You're now fully equipped to create and manage pricing plans, subscriptions, and memberships on your Wix site. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore other tutorials to enhance your online presence with Wix.